Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti and it's time for another Stampin' Up! Unboxing. I'm so excited about this one because it is the kit. I got the Christmas kit. So some of this is stuff I always get each month, so I'm not going to bore you with everything. I have a bunch of these. So this month's color is the Evening Evergreen. Some of you are just finishing up your In Color Club. It's still ongoing. If you haven't participated yet, then let me know. I've got more. This is probably really boring. I'll get to the good stuff. Of course, re-inkers in the Evening Evergreen. The cardstock in the Evening Evergreen. And then let me just pull all of this out there. And then we'll move on. Evening Evergreen, Evening Evergreen, and that. Okay, let's get to fun stuff. We have the In Your Words Celebration stamp set. We've got the Seasons of Fun. These are all going to be little gifts in my different game nights or prizes, basically door prizes for any of my classes. And then this one, don't tell anybody. This is the Merry and Bright Baubles. How cute is that? Along with the Delicate Baubles dies. So this is going to be in my Pick a Prize, and some lucky winner is going to get that. So it's pretty cool. It's only $25 for the Pick a Prize, and you get a prize valued of at least $30. I think this one was more along the lines of, I don't know, is it like $45, $50? Somewhere around there, but I thought that was a pretty good deal. So there we go. And then finally, the Stampin' Up! Kits. They always come out here, there, and everywhere. But this is the Christmas Whimsy Card Kit. And I will be putting out a class where we're going to put these guys together. So if you purchase the Christmas Whimsy Card class, you'll be able to participate in it. So I'll leave more information always in the newsletters. So if you are not yet subscribed, just click on beautyandthestamper.com and you should be able to join my newsletter there. This one again is called Christmas Whimsy. It's a full card kit. I love the box. It's just, it says nothing on it. So this can just, so many things can be stored in there, organized. And let's open it and see what it is. So we've got, it's just like a pumpkin kit. It's got Night of Navy in there. It has, oh, these are the cards. So those are the cards we'll be making. We've got a stamp set here. I don't know if you could see those. I'm sure you cannot. We've got some stars. This one says Season's Greetings. Some more little stars there. What does that say? Oh gosh. Wishing you peace, joy, and love now and throughout the year. And merriest Christmas to you. So 2, 4, 5 little photopolymer stamps. And then let's open it up and see what's in there. I am looking forward to this for sure. This one was in the catalog that announced that we were going to be doing kits this year for sale. Sort of similar to Paper Pumpkin, but you get to know what it is and choose. So when I saw it, we've all been waiting for it, and now it just came out. So you get the gold twine there. You get some little adhesive backed stars. Can you see that? Oh, you get some little mini dimensionals. And check this out. You get a block. It comes with a little Stampin' Up block. So very cool. And that's in every kit. It's not just like with Paper Pumpkin, you get a block, but it's only on your first kit, right? And then this, you get one in every one. So we've got some mini glue dots there. Envelopes. How many cards does it make? We're going to count this up real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different cards. Or 8 cards total, not different. Oh, I just dropped something. Something was gold. It's in the abyss. We got those. Oh my goodness, there's cutouts. Look at those little cutouts. More cutouts. And then you have your car bases. Got those guys. And you've got that one. So now I'm not going to make you wait. I'm going to go searching for whatever I dropped, and then I will show it to you in a picture at the end. All right, if you like this, give me a big thumbs up. I'll leave links down below if you wanted to join me for the whimsical Christmas Whimsy Card Kit class. All you need to do is buy the card kit. You can do so at jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. And I know I didn't give you the host code. It is for September AYUX6Y2E. So use that host code, and I'm going to go ahead and this will be in October. So, all right, beauties. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. It was little gold stars.